the stats that I want to share. So there was a couple of recent surveys done, but the one that stood out for me was Fuel Travel did one, and they surveyed round about, I think the average in the end was about 15,000 travelers and guests. What was really interesting to me was a lot of the numbers that were coming back. The stats that really were surprising for me, and I've got them written down on a piece of paper here. The first one is that out of nearly 15,000 people that were surveyed, only 3% of them, 3% said that they would not be traveling in 2020. Obviously, we as hospitality owners, you watching this live or on the replay, you have been affected by COVID-19 for your hospitality business. 97% said that they would be, okay? And I think the other important thing about this survey as well is that 75% of those same people said that they right now were wanting to book, but they were just sat on the fence. They were waiting for either lockdown to be reduced so that they are allowed to travel and go and stay again, or that they were waiting to see what the accommodation themselves were going to be offering. This again is playing a big part. 75% of people that are sat on the fence, they are waiting to see what happens. So obviously different countries and different states are going to come out of lockdown and allow people to travel at different periods. You know, I'm obviously in the UK and we are still on lockdown now. Some of you are watching in America. Different states are coming out of their lockdown already. Obviously people over in Bali and China and from Australia tuning in, you're coming out of different periods of lockdown